English Express with Jay.
Hello, happy winter from Business English Express. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're warm, because I would love to be warm right now. Learn more about the zero conditional with my ebook, Business English Express. Easy enough to get. Click below.
Just click below?
Yeah!
Okay.
This video is about the conditional statement.
In particular, the zero conditional.
Right now, I feel quite cold. Ooh, brr.
What is the zero conditional? It is used to make statements about the real world and often refers to general truths. So the conditional is used when the result will always happen. For example, if this thing happens, that thing happens.
To make the zero conditional, you use if plus the simple present tense, then the result is in simple present tense as well.
I feel quite cold. Ooh, brr.
I'm cold, however, if it is warm or hot, I can swim in a pool.
It would be wonderful to be somewhere warm.
So again, if it is warm or hot, I can swim in a pool.
Brr. Ooh. It would be wonderful to be somewhere warm. Oh my gosh, it's warm. I'm by a pool. This is incredible, but I need sunglasses.
If it is sunny, I need sunglasses.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Wow. Okay, I'm going in.
If I am at the pool, I want to swim.
If you don't have my book, Business English Now, you get a more interactive and deeper lesson. More information in the video description.
Click below in the video description. Click below and buy the ebook on Amazon.
Business English